36 Williams Road has a deep lot. There's about 210 feet of frontage. The home has a drilled well 47 feet deep. You're also plugged into one low-cost electrical provider. That's right, Holton Water Company. Cheap juice. You're not far from Westford Hill. There's a fire pit. There's a garage. The home is vinyl sided, the roof about 7 years old. 1,000-gallon concrete septic. This one's had all kinds of updates. Remember how he said the roof was 7 years old? That's the architectural shingle part. That dormer just had metal put on it. Smart. Fenced on the south, trees on the north. Your entry has a closet. It's deep, long, and has a pantry on one end. Welcome to 36 Williams Road. 2 bedrooms down, just like the bathroom, 2 bedrooms up. Laminate floor, dining room on one end, your kitchen is side to side. Kinda like a galley, but wider. The other side of the kitchen equation. 1 bedroom right off the kitchen. More laminate flooring, has a fan light. Two windows in this one. One of them's on the east side. The morning sun really beams into this one. This shows the side-to-side aspect of that kitchen. Here's your bathroom. Laundry, birch cabinets, a wall of cabinets. The tub and shower is one piece. Hope you like blue. A window for light and ventilation is always a great idea. Back out into the dining room. We're on our way to the living room that has a stone fireplace covered up. That's the Miller furnace. To the left of that doorway, there's also some electric heat just to hit the zones that one doesn't. I know, I promised you a stone fireplace. See it? I'm not going to tear the living room apart, but you get the idea. Here's another bedroom. The fireplace does have a tile hearth too, in case you want to put a pellet stove or a wood stove insert. 1 floor living, 2 bedrooms, your bath on the first floor. Yes, there's a closet. This is like a 2-bedroom ranch, but wait, there's more up that exposed staircase. Beadboard. This bedroom also has an attic storage scuttle. Plus, there's a closet. Shooting the other way. This is the dustpan that has the metal roofing, which makes a lot of sense because it's a little shallow. You don't want snow to stick and you have to climb up and remove it. Hide the Christmas presents here till the kids figure that old trick out. We're all Santa's helpers, right? Out of that bedroom, right into the other one. 4 bedrooms. I know, doesn't look that big from the outside, but they laid it out very well. Closet, I guess, times 2. And built-in drawers. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thank you very much for watching the Maine Real Estate channel. I hope you liked the video and make a comment down below. Everybody benefits from your comments. They've been thinking the same questions. And I hope you subscribe to our channel. If you're already a member, thank you very much. And if you're not yet a member, please consider subscribing. The garage is on a cement floor, has a power door. The home has trimmed windows, vinyl siding. You can't beat Hodgson schools either. They're about a half a mile away. Ooh, go Hawks! There you have it. That's the tour, inside and out, side to side, top to bottom, for 36 Williams Road, Hodgson, Maine.